We're out here at the Volume Warehouse. We're about to build up my new 2020 bike. It's been a long time since I built up a completely new bike. I want to say last year I built up the black one with the blue stickers, but today we have an interesting color. I'm very hyped on it. We've got this lavender-esque Volume Voyager frame. The new stickers aren't on yet, but we're putting them together soon. We got Curtis helping me out over here, dude. Shout out to Curtis, because I don't know how to do any of this bottom bracket or chain stuff, so we're in good hands right now. What's going on, guys? For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Billy Perry and this is my 2020 bike check. I just want to thank you guys again for 1 million subscribers. Absolutely unbelievable. Thank you guys. So we're out here in the middle of New York City during the coronavirus epidemic right now. We're going to be making videos as much as we can until they put the city on lockdown, so hope you guys enjoy. I just built up this brand new 2020 Volume Merritt FTL bike last week in LA. We're back in New York now. We got a few clips in LA, but it got a little hectic, so I had to finish the bike check here at home. And I'm giving away my bike that I was previously riding. It's a very similar setup. If you guys want to enter to win that, I'm going to announce it about a week after this video drops. Just go on my Instagram and this photo right here, tag 2 friends, like this post, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, and stay tuned. I'll announce the winner on Instagram and YouTube. The Volume Bike's Voyager frame that I'm riding is a 21-inch frame. It's got a 12.5-inch slam back end, 75.25 head tube, 9.25 seat tube height, and this new model coming out for this year has chain tensioners in the back. I've been riding the Voyager frame for about 3 or 4 years now. The bars I'm riding are brand new FTL X Volume bars. They're 4-piece bars. The ones I'm riding are 9.25-inch rise. They are 30 inches wide, and I've been riding them for about a year now, maybe a little bit longer, just testing them. And the only reason I've got new ones is because I built the new bike. Stem I have is a Merritt top load stem. It's the Mark II. I have it in black. I've been riding the same Merritt stem since I got a Merritt a few years ago. My favorite stem, clean, simple design. It's got the nice plate on the top. My headset is the Merritt high top headset cap. The grips I'm riding are my signature Merritt grips. I want to say they're the softest BMX grip out now, the best BMX grip, and I'm not being biased. They got removable flanges, so if you like flanges, they're on. If you don't like them, easy to cut off. Whatever, I like flanges. I ride sometimes with my finger over the flange. Super soft, super durable. They come in all of these different colorways right here, so go get them. We got the FTL lights on the front end here. We got front and back blinking lights, available on ftlbmx.com/store. We have the new Volume Bike's Voyager forks up front. I'm not too sure of the dimensions yet. They're brand new, so they'll be coming out very soon. The front wheel is a Merritt complete battle wheel, but this is a little bit different than the one I'm usually riding. I have some prototype Merritt battle rims on right now. They're a little bit slimmer than the original battle rims, and they're a lot lighter. Excited for those to come out. We also have the Merritt tension hub guards up front, 2 of them, left side and right side, so you don't damage your spokes or hub when grinding. Super clean design. Okay. Alright. Moving down here with the seat, I have the brand new Volume Bike's Jaron Barboza signature seat. It's got a nice little flower design on the back here, leather, white stitching, super clean, super fat. Love the fat seats, always been riding fat seats, super cushy. Feels good on your knees when you bar spin or suicide when you pinch. We have the Merritt super tall seat post. It comes in 2 sizes, I believe, one short, one big, but I like to run it slam, so it's literally touching the bottom of my frame, so I don't ever have to move my seat. I know where it is. It feels good right where my knees hit. Down this way, you have the 28-tooth Merritt Ackerman sprocket. I always ride 28/9 gear ratio. We have the Merritt half-link chain in black. We have the Merritt battle cranks in 165mm in raw. This is something new. I usually always ride black cranks, but we got the raw ones on. This is one of my favorite Merritt pieces right here, the P1 pedals. They're the best looking pedals in BMX, the best feeling pedals. Come in a bunch of different colors that you see right here. Moving back here, we have the Merritt left-hand drive battle free coaster complete wheel. Leads to the new battle rim I was just talking about. Of course, the tires, the Merritt option tires, 2.35. They're the Kevlar folding tires, lighter than usual. So this bike is much lighter than my previous bike because I have a bunch of new Merritt parts, a bunch of prototype parts from Merritt coming out, and it just, right when I got on this bike, I felt the difference of how much lighter it was. We got the Brandon Began 4.75-inch GFE pegs, plastic. They come in a few different color sleeves. This is a new color, maybe coming out, maybe not, but there are 2 new colors that I'm releasing this year for the Volume Bike's Voyager frame, and Jaron Barboza also has another colorway, so stay tuned for that. I think that will be next month. Volume Bikes Voyager frame promo coming out with Jaron Barbosa. It's going to be a split part. I was out in California. I only had 2 or 3 days to film that with Fernando over at Volume. We got a lot done in LA and SD, so hyped on that. And I also have a Merritt Athens video dropping, I think this week, so stay tuned for that. That was my 2020 bike check. Let me know what you guys think of this color. Here's some riding clips from LA and New York, so I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, bunch of new content dropping this week. Let's get it. Time I wear a white shirt, bro.
That's how you learn, homie. You get the white shirt dirty, homie. Oh, it's dirt. Dirt McGirt, dude. Help you out. Snaked! Oh my God. Oh. You.
Good time to do this, yeah.
It's the only time we would ever be able to ride solo. That's why we're here.
Yeah, if you could film a movie right now, now's the time.
Now's the time. What would you call it?
Holy smokes!
Got it.
Dude. I didn't get that.
You got your money's worth, right? Got your money's worth.
I missed that. That was incredible.
He's like, can I see a trick? That's
That
the
was
best
the coolest
line
thing I've ever
the whole half hour he's been here, and you missed it. Yo. Yo. Yo.